What up, everybody? How you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the Spirit Halloween Electrified Corpse. Alright, guys, so this prop came out in, I believe, 2016. I've had my hands on this for a long time, actually. I got this in, I believe, September of last year, 2022. So I've had this for a while. I just never did an unboxing of it. I actually had it in last year's haunt. I did a demo of it, but I never did an actual unboxing. So let's do that now. So opening up this box, first thing you see in here is his head, actually. So I'm gonna tip this over and bring out every piece one by one again, just like normal. Or everything might just slide out. We will see. Looks like everything's just trying to slide out. Okay, so I believe this part comes apart, but it is not right now. So this is just a snap, like it says A down up at the top. So yeah, that is cool. Nice little kind of sturdy piece. It's more metal than plastic, so that's always good to see. Right here we've got the adapter, usually the last thing to come out, but not today. We have the adapter for him. This is his kind of bloody torso piece, which is reminding me a lot of Poor George, actually. I'm not sure why there is a piece of tape on there. That is weird. So yeah. These don't come with them, but mine is somewhat broken, so I have to keep this big clip and this bungee cord to keep that on, I believe. So we will see. Or I just set them up wrong last year. I've gotten a lot better at unboxing these, so it's very possible that I just set them up wrong last year. And then right here we have his kind of like body, torso slash head. So yeah, that was very quick. So that is going to be the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup. Alright guys, I have him hanging from a bungee. But yeah, this is the Electrified Corpse over here. Like I said, he definitely has some issues. I have to clip it right there. But it is definitely better than having nothing. I got this thing for like 20 bucks, so yeah. Gonna plug him in. Alright guys, so that is the Electrified Corpse right over there, as I just demoed him. He's a really cool prop. I have him hanging in my tree, typically. I'm not sure, maybe I'll try to find a different place for him this year, but yeah, I had him hanging in the tree last year. I thought he looked pretty cool up there. So yeah, I love this prop, actually. I really don't dislike it. I know a lot of people do, but I think it's a really cool prop. Jesus Christ, I didn't even know it was going to go off then. Okay, so yeah. For the price of only $140, I think that is an awesome deal for this guy. He is not being sold anymore, but he used to be for $140, and I thought that was a really good price. So yeah, I think that price was perfect for him. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will not leave a link in the description to buy him because he is sold out, and he is not returning. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. The merch link will be in the description below, though. Alright, guys, aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace!